In this video, I'm going to talk about how to modify or adjust the row height and column width in Microsoft Excel. So we go back to our spreadsheet that we had open in the last video. And what we're going to do, we're going to go up to the little border between some of our columns here at the top. So we can click on, let's click on G, because I can see that Messenger Ideas is not fitting quite in the column. So I can go up here and I can actually hover right over this divider between G and H. It turns into a two-headed arrow. Double click. And will automatically adjust for the widest entry in that column. The other way we can do it, we can simply take our column border, just go up to the top where I had double clicked on it before, just click and grab it and move it as narrow or wide as you want it. And the third way to do this, just click on here, in the Home tab, in the Cells group, and click the Format button. We're going to do column width. We're just going to type in there. Right now, I just pulled it to 20.89. Let's put 16 in there. Click OK. And so there's plenty of room for our heading up here, because all of our data is only 3 characters long. So it's our heading that we're worried about fitting in there. And that's 3 ways you can adjust column width.